Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Chase credit card. Let's get straight into the video, talking about eligibility and requirements. So to apply for a Chase credit card, you got to be at least 18 years old. Also, you got to be a US citizen or a resident alien to apply for, of course, the Chase credit card. You also got to provide a valid means of identification, could be a passport or driver's license, and you must have a good credit score to be eligible for this. So these are the requirements you got to meet before you be able to apply for Chase credit card. So assuming you meet all of these requirements, let me show you guys what you're going to do to apply for a Chase card. What you want to do first of all is to go to the Chase website and click credit cards at the top of the page, and then just choose a credit card. So you can select the credit card type that you want to apply for and click on apply now. Now you want to enter your personal information. You got to provide your personal information, including your name, your address, the date of birth, as well as your social security number. And then just enter your financial information, and that includes your income, employment status, and housing information. And then just review the credit card terms and conditions, and of course agree to them. And then just submit your applications, and then wait for Chase to review and approve that. So when it comes to applying for a Chase credit card by phone, what you want to do is to call the Chase customer service number, and I have the number right there for you guys on the screen. So just call that number to speak with a Chase representative and let them know that you want to apply for a credit card. Now also you got to provide your personal and financial information to the representative, and then just review and agree to the card terms and conditions with the representative and agree to them. And that's just basically, they're gonna help you sort that out. And of course, when it comes to applying for a Chase credit card in person, what you want to do is to visit a Chase branch. So you got to visit a Chase branch near you and just speak with a representative and let them know that you want to apply for a credit card. So you got to let the representative know, and then just provide your personal and financial information. Of course, go through all of that, and then review and agree to the credit card terms and conditions. And yeah, once you have that all settled out, they're gonna help you obtain the credit card. So a couple of tips when it comes to applying for Chase credit card. Of course, the first is to check your credit scores. So you want to check your credit scores before applying to ensure that you have a good chance of approval, because low credit scores, well, you're not going to get that card. The second, of course, is to choose the right credit card. So you want to choose a credit card that aligns with your financial goals and needs, because there are a bunch of options to choose from. Of course, some might also be affected by your credit scores and all that, but for the ones within your limit, you want to make sure that you choose the right ones. And of course, don't forget to read the terms and conditions before applying. You got to know what you're getting into before you do that. And you could also consider the annual fees. So you got to consider the annual fees and whether it aligns with your budget, because there is an annual fee to maintain your credit cards and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much all the info I got for you guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have, thank you so very much. We appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.